Hey pumpkins, I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to put on these ether flake, and it's made by Wave Gel, and the number is 2. And they're so beautiful and pretty. Today's polish, which we use on my beautiful model Armani. Say hi.
Hey guys.
And this is the polish that we use today. It's from Simple Colors. And the name of the polish is Glass Pink. It's really pretty. Number 376. All right, so we're going to get started. We're going to take just a little makeup applicator. And we're going to just put it on her nails. Now, I already put on her nails some non-cleanse gel top coat made by Gel 2, so that the foil, or flakes I should say, can adhere really good to her nails. You see it, pumpkin?
This is gorgeous. I like this.
Okay, awesome. So I'll show you guys a couple of nails, and we're just pressing the product into the gel that's already on her nails. It is gorgeous. Got some on the napkin. We're going to use waste not, want not. So pretty and flaky. I love it.
Yes.
And it's going to be your birthday, right?
Yes. My birthday's coming up, so I need something different.
Absolutely. Is there anything you want to say, pumpkin, while you're on camera? Do you want to promote anything?
Yes, you guys had to shop with my friend Talani Love Collection. Check her out on Instagram. Yes.
Yes. And what does she do?
She does hair. She sells flat irons, edge gels, everything coming. She's having a big launch. Check her out.
Okay. So we're going to let this cure and dry, and we'll be back as soon as that's done. Okay, pumpkins, we're back. We already did some bling off camera. She wanted just the tips, and they are so pretty. I hope you can see the sparkle on camera because it is gorgeous. So I'm going to show you how I did it. I used my IBD Builder Gel that helps to adhere and keep the rhinestones on. I pick up a big amount, I don't know if you can see it, of it. And then I'm going to put it on the whole nail. The reason I'm putting it on the whole nail is because I've already did the flakes, the foil flakes on there. And I want those foil flakes to stay. So we're going to put the Builder Gel on the whole nail. Then with my rhinestone tool, I'm going to pick up the little rhinestones, and I'm going to place them onto the edges of her nails. And I use the other end just to manipulate and move the rhinestones around. Do you love it so far, honey bunny?
I love it. It's really cute. It's really cute and girly.
It is super girly. I think your birthday is going to be turned up with these beautiful nails.
Yes, it would definitely set it off.
You know what you're going to wear yet?
Yeah, I have a cute couple of dresses. I'll show you.
Ooh. Off camera.
Yeah.
We don't want everybody to know your little cute little dress.
We can't get that right now.
No.
But it's definitely cute though. It's going to definitely make it stand out.
You're definitely going to have to send me pics.
You know I will.
This is so gorgeous. I was just telling Armani, I've never done just rhinestones on the tips before. So this is definitely a new for me.
That's so cute.
Sorry, I'm blocking.
Now everybody can try it.
It's gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. All right, we're going to cure that, and then we're going to come back. All right, here's the final look. They are so gorgeous. Bling and glitter. It is so nice. Actually, bling and foil flakes. It is so pretty. Do you love them, Pumpkin?
I love them. They're so cute.
They are gorgeous. Thanks, guys, for watching. Come back. We'll have more videos to come. Thank you. Smooches. Bye, pumpkins.